Happy Monday. I'm going to try and make this as quick as I can. First and foremost, this is going to be kind of a big week. We're going to have assignments due Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. But first, I must say this. Please do not put your papers through ChatGPT, Grammarly, any of those things to do a polishing. Don't do that. It always pops up as AI on my end, and the second I see AI, instant zero. So I don't care about the perfection of your paper. The only thing I really care about is you showing me your understanding of the material. Oftentimes what happens is, the Grammarly's, the GPTs, whatever, they always fuck up the vocabulary. They always do. And you're going to see my feedback and you're going to go, what am I doing wrong? That's why. So just use your own words. Don't try and throw it in there. I don't care about the polishing. I just want to see your understanding of the material. That's the whole point, right? And it's the application. So make sure you're applying it. That's our goal here. Critical thinking. Again, just make sure you do not put it in a ChatGPT or AI or Grammarly because it comes to AI on my end. And per policy, I have to follow it, so you end up with a zero. So just keep that in mind. Or sometimes maybe you notice you did really bad on an assignment. Unfortunately, what happens is AIs and ChatGPTs will see these words, they get them wrong, I grade it as such, and it gets chaotic. So just use your own words, you got it. I have complete and utter faith in you. So, all right, so anyway, that being the case, again, we're going to have a really fast week. On Tuesday, we have our what is that called? Fallacies. Please make sure you know your fallacies because we are going to have an advertisement assignment coming up, which is super fun. You're going to notice on Sunday, that is when the topic for the advertisement is going to be. So please make sure you read all the details on that. Again, I'm going to be looking for specifics that I give you that you're going to give back to me. And I'll grade it as best and fast I can, so that way you're ready for the assignment. Chapter 6 is pretty easy. I'm going to try and get through that as best I can. Grading, I know I'm behind, y'all. I'm working hard as fast as I can. I did have to take a couple days off because if I don't... You don't want me to grade. I won't be a good grader if I don't take a couple days. So I did take a couple days this weekend, so I'm trying to catch up. Don't forget, late work does get graded late. So if you turn it in late, it gets graded late. If you turned in like a super late vocabulary, y'all, that's going to take me some time. Those are the hardest ones for me to grade because I'm very thorough. That being the case, please read my feedback. My feedback helps you in every single way. If for some reason you had a hard time in like the TV essay and it was the vocabulary, this is why I push so hard on the vocabulary assignment and why I give so much feedback, because I really want you to understand how it applies. That's the most important thing of the assignments, is your application of the terms in action. I want you to see the words in action. It's all about practice. It's very important that you do that work. If you're letting a machine do the work for you, you're going to see it's going to get it wrong every time. So please make sure you're utilizing your own brain. You got this. I trust you. And then on Friday, we have vocabulary again. This is going to be chapters 5 and 6. So please make sure you're utilizing the information that I give you, whether it's a video, it's an article. Use those to understand the vocabulary. It's going to take practice. And again, I trust this is a hard class. It is summer. It's hard. It goes super fast. I trust you. You got this. Trust yourselves. Also, that being the case, on the 5th was the 50% mark for dropping the class. If you need to drop the class, do it now, do it fast, reach out to your advisor. I don't want to lose you, but I also understand the things that you might need to do to, get the thing you want. If the grades aren't working for you, it's too hard. I get it. I try and warn as many times as I can as we go through what summer's going to be like. So feel free to message me if you have questions. Also reach out to your advisors. If you need numbers or any kind of contact, you can reach out to me. I'm going to get it to you. I don't know your specific advisor, but I can get you to admissions, or you could just look up, Google admissions, right? Anyway, thank you all very much. I know this was kind of a long video. Too long, didn't watch. Don't use AI. Do your own work. Reach out if you have questions, and if you need to drop, I understand. So anyway, thank you all very much for everything you've been doing in class. We're almost there. We got this. Good luck.